I was thinking, what do you think of your little doll?
Can I take it? Can I take it? Can I take your little doll? No. Can't I have it?
He likes his toy.
Do you want your toy? Can I have it? Can't I have it? Can I have your toy?
He likes his toy.
Come on. Can I take your toy?
Very nice, cute little
Come on,
dogs.
Sinky, don't give me your toy, please. Can I have your toy? It's my toy. Please, Sinky, please give me the toy. I want to go and put it away. Can I? In your basket. In your basket. Give me the toy, please.
That's funny.
He loves his toy, that's for sure. Now, Snowy, you can't have the toy, eh?
No, you can't.
It's Sinky's toy. Give the toy to me. Look there, Snowy, just leave his toy alone. Come on, Snowy, go away there. It's his toy. Here's another toy. You want this one? Hmm?
He wants both.
Rather this one. Can I have this one, Sinky? Can I have this toy? Sinky?